Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech tasks into simple, straightforward steps. Today, we're tackling something that might come up if you're looking to streamline your finances or switch to a new app: how to delete your Copilot Money account. Whether you're decluttering your digital life or just moving on, this guide will help you do it quickly and safely. Let's dive right in. First off, before we get started, make sure you have your login credentials handy. You'll need to access your account to initiate the deletion process. It's also a good idea to back up any important data, like transaction history, because once you delete the account, it might be gone for good. Step 1. Open the Copilot Money app on your device. If you're using the web version, log in through their official website. Once you're in, head to the main menu or profile section. Look for an icon that looks like a person or a settings gear. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings or Profile Management. This is usually where you'll find options related to your personal info and account status. Tap or click on that to proceed. Step 3. Look for an option that says Delete Account, Close Account, or something similar. It might be under a sub-menu like Account Security or Data Management. When you select it, the app will likely prompt you with a warning about what you're about to do. Read it carefully. Step 4. You'll probably need to confirm your identity. This could involve entering your password again or verifying through email or SMS. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify. Step 5. Once verified, confirm the deletion. The app might ask for a final OK, so double-check that you're ready. After this, your account should be scheduled for deletion. Some services take a few days to fully process it. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted your Copilot Money account. If you run into any issues, check their help center or contact support. Remember, always think twice before deleting accounts, as it can affect your financial tracking. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give us a like and subscribe for more handy tutorials. See you next time.